Hello and welcome to Autism Community Theater. I'm Gina DeMetruis, the founder and director of this New York City-based nonprofit. Autism Community Theater is a creative and accepting community where teens and young adults can form friendships, work on communication and social skills, and extend their thinking about the world while engaging in theater work. Because the structure of our workshop is predictable, our neurodiverse group of actors feel comfortable, gain independence, and even begin to take risks, which is always greeted with enthusiasm. Our theater work offers multiple entry points so all actors can participate, regardless of vocal language or imitation skills. Our teaching artists are continuously engaged with the actors, shaping behaviors that allow the actors to engage with each other. We have a lot of fun and laughs, so please join us because there's room on stage for everyone.